TATE Orbital Automatic TIG Welding Machine is the trusted choice across industries such as aerospace, nuclear power, pharmaceutical production, food and beverage manufacturing, chemical processing, and electronics manufacturing. Today, we'll explore its application in the nuclear power sector. Nuclear facilities require precision-engineered pipelines to handle extreme temperatures and pressures. The TATE welding machine provides flawless, leak-proof welds, ensuring the integrity of critical systems like reactor cooling lines and steam transport pipelines. Its automated orbital technology guarantees consistent quality, even in challenging environments, while supporting materials like nickel alloys and stainless steel. With the TATE machine, safety and reliability are never compromised, making it an invaluable asset for nuclear energy operations worldwide. We are the original manufacturer of the TATE Orbital Automatic TIG Welding Machine, providing tailored OEM and ODM solutions. Please subscribe, comment, like, and share our video. Reach out to us at info@oaktate.com for more details about this advanced